Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. As you see, our place finally is empty. It took us 3 long days to remove everything from it, but it's not done yet. Now we have plain walls, old ceilings, old lights, and Lithuania is locked down at the moment. It started from yesterday, but it was lucky enough we had enough time to buy everything before they closed all shops. So let's check what we got. Here we have our new LED lights, but they will go back to the store. Why? Because I ordered different lights, because I wanted 6000 kelvins cold light, because they looks better when you work on the cars and you can see all imperfections way better than using neutral LED lights, because these ones are 4000 kelvins and I don't like them. I will need to change them, but other problem that the store don't have in stock lights I needed. This is why I think he sent me this one, and he was like, oh, maybe he's not gonna notice that, but we'll pick that. Okay, what next? Here we have our gray paint, custom-made gray paint for our white wall on the side. We bought almost 6 liters of it, and this white wall will be gray color. Darker gray, we will see. We will see that color very soon. Okay, let's check what else.
It's like charcoal, yeah?
Charcoal, yeah, it's kind of like charcoal color.
And it's matte.
Yeah, it's matte and charcoal, water resist, and very high quality paint. As well, we have this other paint, like white paint for ceiling. Because ceiling is already old, and we want to remove all these old lights, refresh everything, and then refresh everything and apply new white paint just to get more light here inside. Okay, and here we have this product for this OSB wall. We like this, we want to keep this wood, but we don't like shade of it. This is why we bought African teak shade. Okay, today we want to test this product and see how it will change this panel, because we don't want to go too dark or too light. We want to get this kind of perfect finish we want to get.
Yeah, because this panel soaks in the lac and dyes and everything very quickly. And
this is why before we're gonna apply on the entire wall, I just wanna make a test piece. Just do just like that.
Yeah, we will apply one time and then twice.
Oh yeah, let's.
And then we can leave one as it is.
Then we need to leave it to dry for at least overnight and let it sink into the panel, just to see the final result. Because now if you just apply, it's gonna look different comparing to tomorrow. Okay. Sorry, my table is a bit not very stable table. Stable table. I have stable table. Okay. I have never done this before. It's very exciting. First thing, what I need to do, I need to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Sorry guys that these videos it's not about cars, because this YouTube channel is all about wrapping, paint protection film, but this space, we're making it for you. We want to have a place where we can film videos and film videos, do tutorials, live streams, and this place is not gonna be my permanent workplace. We're still gonna continue our rough virus journey as soon as lockdown will end, because at the moment in Europe it's really bad situation. Germany is in lockdown, Lithuania is in lockdown, and we just wanna wait till everything ends, and we have a huge list of videos we want to make. One of them, let's say, what kind of videos? We already have done how to wrap roof, headlights, taillights, I wanna do more videos explaining you how to install paint protection film on separate panels, mirrors, bonnet, guards, bumper, all that stuff. As well, we're gonna wrap our own car here in this garage as soon as we're gonna buy it, because at the moment we don't have a car.
And 3 minutes later.
3 minutes later, yeah.
It's still mixing.
Okay, let's take this brush. On this part I will do 2 layers, but for second layer we'll need to wait 1 hour. Let's do 1 coat for both of them. So guys, I'm not a professional painter, but I can do that stuff. Okay, our first layer is done. Let's wait for 1 hour and we will apply second layer on this part and we will see difference. Let's wait. An hour later, now is the time for second layer. As you see, pan is already dry. And I want to apply second layer on this part and we'll see how it's gonna look next to this one.
So we'll get back to you tomorrow?
Yes, we will update you tomorrow. So far, I really like 2 layers. 1 layer looks like it's not enough. After second layer, we already can see a bit color goes more brown, not only like black. Because we're already experimenting, we decided to check how this panel will look if we will paint it in gray color. We will use same paint for our wall. Okay, let's mix it. Ooh, just look at it. So our painting is done. Let's leave it overnight till it completely dries and then we'll see results. So we're back and let's check our test panel. Okay, let's remove this paper.
That looks funny.
Okay, what I can say, I like this finish. I think it's dark enough for this wall because this one is too light and looks dirty. This one starts getting brownish look. I think entire wall in this color it's gonna look really good. Gray paint. One more fail. It's supposed to be twice darker than it is. Because we ordered way darker gray than we have here. I think they mixed for us a different shade of gray and we will need to go and get another paint or at least to add some darker finish to it. Because place where we... Sorry?
Some pigment, yeah.
Yeah, we'll need to add some pigment because place where we're ordering, they making us specific colors you request and I think they done mistake with the code we requested. But good that we done this test and now we see that we need to change the paint, just add pigment and we'll need to apply this apply this product to this wall twice. One time it will be not enough. So guys, as you see, not the best start, but it is for us first time renovating something. We have never done this before. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay updated. It's me, Virus, from my garage.